Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss a problem that has came in IIT Advanced 2024. This is a problem of quadratic equation. First look at this problem and try yourself, then you can see the solution. Okay. Given fx is a polynomial of degree 4 with f1 is equal to -9 and there is another equation provided 4x cube plus 3x square plus 2bx equal to 0. One of its roots is I root 3. And if alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 and alpha 4 are the roots of this equation fx, then we have to find the value of modulus of alpha 1 square plus modulus of alpha 2 square plus modulus of alpha 3 square plus modulus of alpha 4 square. Students, to solve this problem, actually we have to find the value of alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 and alpha 4. So we have to find the roots of fx. Given fx is of this form, just we have to start with this equation 4x cube plus 3ax square plus 2bx equal to 0. Clearly from this equation we can say that x equal to 0 is the root of this third degree equation. If we take x common, then we can easily see that. So one root is 0 and other roots can be derived from this quadratic equation. There is no need to derive these roots of this quadratic because already it is provided that I root 3 is a root of this quadratic equation 1. So if we let alpha equals to I root 3, and from basic theory of quadratic equation we know that complex root always occurs in conjugate pair. So we can say that equation 1 will also have a root minus I root 3. Now we will use some very simple tricks of quadratic equation, that is we will use this formula of sum of roots and product of roots. And students, we know that for a quadratic equation, suppose this is the theory, this is a very basic theory from class 10. Suppose ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation whose roots are suppose alpha and beta. Then alpha plus beta will be minus b by a and alpha beta will be c by a. This is a very basic theory of class 10. Now, as we can see that the roots are in conjugate pair, so alpha plus beta will be 0. And what is alpha plus beta? From this theory, we can say that alpha plus beta will be minus 3a by 4. So a is equal to 0. So this is a information for the coefficients a. Now we will find the value of b and c also. Now look, the product of the roots will be I root 3 and minus I root 3. That is also alpha beta will be 2b by 4. This will be minus I square 3. That is I square means minus 1. This will be 3. So b will be 6. So we have derived another value of these coefficients, that is a is 0 and b is 6. Finally, we have to find the value of c. Students, the value of c can be derived using this condition, that is f1 is equal to minus 9. Okay. Look, f1 equals to minus 9. This is fx, x to the power 4 ax cube bx square plus c. Now f1 equals to minus 9 means one plus a plus b plus c equals to minus 9. Just put the value of a and b here. Then c will be minus 9 minus 1 minus 6, that is minus 16. So c equals to minus 16. Now finally we are in the stage to solve fx. Okay, just we will put the value of a and b and c in fx. Okay, and we will solve this very easily. Now fx equal to x to the power 4, since a is 0, the term x cube will be vanished, and 6x square minus 16. We will use simple trick of middle term factorization. Just take x square common. This will be x square plus 8 and minus 2 common, x square plus 8. So finally we can see that fx is of the form x square plus 8 x square minus 2. So the roots of fx will be x square, that is x square plus 8 into x square minus 2 equals to 0. So x equal to plus minus root 2 and plus minus root over 8i. Okay, so finally modulus of alpha 1 square, modulus of alpha 2 square, modulus of alpha 3 square plus modulus of alpha 4 square. It will be root over 2 to the power minus 2 modulus of root over 8i plus minus root over 8i. Now modulus of root over 2 whole square means 2, and this is also 2, and this will be modulus of I equals to 1, so this will be 8, and this will be again 8. So the value of this will be 20. So 20 is our answer.